Good morning, students. It's me, Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to revise GK, revision for your upcoming term 1 exam. Okay, we are going to revise. Okay. In term 1 exam, you have just two parts. Part A is 1 mark. It totally I'll be asking 41 marks. 40 into 1 is equal to 40. So 41 marks. Then part B will be of 10 mark. Only one question will be asked. That question carries 10 mark. Okay. So part A is 1 mark question. Part B is 10 mark question. For that I have given a heading called essay writing. Okay, essay writing means don't confuse. This one only. The tortoise superstar. Okay, this is one essay. So I have already took class about this. Right? Okay. So we are going to see that once again. And then we are going to see about Nick Chen's Wonderland. Okay. These two are the essays you have in between the chapters of 1 to 20. Your test portion is from chapter 1 to chapter 20. In these chapters you have only these two essays. One is about tortoise and another one is about Nick Chen's Wonderland. Okay. So I'll be asking this. Okay. In this, if I ask about tortoise, you have to explain about tortoise. If I ask about Nick Chen's Wonderland, you have to explain about Nick Chen's Wonderland. Okay. I'll give you choice for that. Either that or this. Choice will be there for 10 marks. Okay. For 10 marks, choice will be there. But your explanation, the essay about either a tortoise or this Nick Chen's Wonderland should be very good. If your explanation, if your writing is very good, for sure you will carry 10 mark. It is not necessary to write as it is over here. Okay, I have explained few main points that right. Okay, you write that points, that is enough. Okay. Now we'll see both about tortoise and Nick Chen's. We'll see once again. Okay. We are going to see first unit. The name of the unit is a tortoise superstar. We are going to see about a tortoise. That's all. Okay. We'll see. See, this is the tortoise. This tortoise is called, nickname of this tortoise is Tortoise Superstar. They used to refer like that. They used to refer as Tortoise Superstar. We'll see why. New York Times named this tortoise world's famous bachelor. New York Times named this tortoise as world's famous bachelor. This tortoise becomes the worldwide superstar. Why? This is the story of Lonesome George, the famous tortoise. The name of this tortoise is Lonesome George. But it is called as the tortoise superstar. Okay. This is the Pinta Island tortoise. This tortoise is found in Pinta Island. This is the Pinta Island tortoise found in the early 20th century. In 1971, a Hungarian biologist accidentally discovered this rare creature tortoise. The species was then taken to the Charles Darwin Foundation. First, it was found in 1971 by a biologist by an Hungarian biologist. Okay. Then it was taken to Charles Darwin Foundation. Okay. The Charles Darwin Foundation declared this is the big tortoise species. This is the largest tortoise. Okay. It declares as this is the largest tortoise species. This was then brought to George. And then he attempted to save this Pinta tortoise. Again it was brought to George, a biologist named George. Okay. And he then attempted to save this Pinta tortoise. He tried to save it, protect it. After almost 16 years of waiting, the female tortoise laid eggs in 2008. After 16 years, this female tortoise laid eggs, but none resulted in offsprings. It does not birth, it does not born. None resulted in offspring. So all the breeding attempts eventually failed. This was the rarest living creature. This was the rarest living creature in the Guinness World Record. In the Guinness World Record book, it was said it is the rarest living creature. Okay? Okay. These are the main things of this tortoise, and this unit deals with this. You just want to know all these things. Take a note on these points. Okay, students. Chapter 16. Nek Chand's Wonderland. We are going to see about Nek Chand. Nek Chand's Wonderland. This is a nice story actually. After India's partition, Chandigarh was chosen to be new capital of Punjab. Okay? Okay. The famous Swiss-French architecture Le Corbusier was given the job of redesigning the city. After the partition were made, they were in the idea to redesign the city because the city was not so good. They want to make it a high-tech city, so they were trying to redesign it with modern appearance. At this time, a man named Nek Chand, this is the man, a man named Nek Chand joined as road inspector in the public works department. At this time, he was joined as a road inspector, where in public works department. Okay, okay. Many departments were there. They were trying to build a nice city. At that time, he joined as a Nek Chand joined as a road inspector. In public works department. A lot of old buildings and villages were demolished, means destroyed, to construct a modern city. They were destroyed and they were tried to construct a modern city. Nek Chand, in his free time, started collecting materials of the demolition sites around the city. Nek Chand, he worked there where he worked as road inspector. In his free time, he went and collected the materials from demolition site, the destroyed sites around the city. He collected curiously shaped rocks. He collected many rocks, discarded materials, the not needed materials, and recycle bins, and also recyclable items, and also items that can be recycled. He wanted to make a garden of sculptures with those materials. He collected those materials, right? With this material, he wanted to make garden with sculptures. Okay, okay. You want to make a sculptures like this. So he collected all those materials, spoiled materials, wasted materials. Next, Nek Chand started building at forest area near Shukwana Lake. In the forest, he started building the garden. This was designed as land conservancy. This was designated as land conservancy. At that time, it was designated as that is a place which is not to be used for any purposes. That forest area was designed as a place which is not to be used for any purposes, and any construction made there would be illegal. So if we do any construction, that will be illegal. But he worked there without knowing to anyone. So Nek Chand kept his project secret. He kept his project secret because no one should know, because no one should work there, right? So he kept secret. He would go there in his free time and work on his sculptures. Whenever he feels free, he will go there and he will work with the sculptures. But no one knows that. Only one man worked there, but no one knows that. He goes whenever he gets free time from his work. Nek Chand continued with his project and managed to hide it from the public for 18 years. How many years he did like this? He went to work when his free time, he went there, but no one knows he is going there, and he is building all those things. For how many years he did like this? For 18 years. Before it was discovered by authorities in 1975. In 1975 only they found that he is building something like this. Okay, sculptures like this. By that time his project had become massive interlinked courtyard, each filled with hundreds of pottery, covered with sculptures of dancers, musicians and animals. At that time, after 18 years, if they while they went and see, it was of hundreds of sculptures. There were many sculptures like this. Hundreds of sculptures were found. Who are those? The sculptures were faced like musicians, great musicians, great great musicians, great singers, and great animals were also sculptured there. When it was discovered, the local government thought of demolishing this illegal construction. Since it is illegal construction, they thought to demolish it. They thought to destroy this place also. But Chandigarh Landscape Advisory Committee, there is a committee called Chandigarh Landscape Advisory Committee, took a wise decision by allowing Nek Chand to open his creation to public. They finally, that advisory, what they did committee, they took a decision to allow the Nek Chand's, this guy's project to show to the public. Okay. They also gave him a salary so that he could give his full time on his work. They also provide him with salary, and also a workforce with 50 laborers, and also 50 men's laborers they sent with him to continue the project. And also they opened for the public view. The site was given the name Rock Garden. It was given as a name Rock Garden because with rocks only he built all those things, and was formally inaugurated on 24 Jan 1976. When you think 24 Jan 1976, it was formally inaugurated. Okay, with Nek Chand and its director. Okay, Nek Chand and its director. Okay, I started this garden as a Bobby, and he has many ideas, and he had many ideas at that time. I was thinking all the time. I saw beauty and art in what people said was junk. The people thought that place was forest and it was not used and it is of no use, but he think that is an artistic place and he built the rock. That is what he told, it seems. This is his wordings. I started the garden as a Bobby. I had many ideas. I was thinking all the time. I saw beauty and art in what people said as was junk. Okay, this is what the wording he told. When Nek Chand said it in an interview, he said when people interviewed him, he dedicated his whole life to making a stunning kingdom of folk sculptures. He dedicated his whole life he dedicated to construct this sculptures of gardens, sculptures in gardens. He won many awards including Padma Shri. For his creativity and for his hard work, he won many awards including Padma Shri. He passed away on 12 June 2015. Before 5 years only he did. When he did? June 2015. In very old age only he did. Okay. He is a very good achiever. So just know about him. What is his name actually? Nek Chand. Okay. That's all for today's revision, students. By next revision, I'll be teaching you 1 marks. I told part A 41 marks now. So I'll be teaching you 41 marks. Okay. So now concentrate on this and study well. Today you study well. In next revision, I'll be giving the 1 mark. Revision for 1 mark. We'll study 1 mark. That's all. Our work is over. Okay. And then in exam, do well, get good mark. Try to get full mark. Everyone try to get full mark. Okay. Okay, students. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.